clear sign that Bitcoin is ready to reverse. One sign that will trigger the reversal and the price jump until the next resistance. So let's discuss Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Sand and the other altcoin that have reversal area right now testing. So what we should expect: confirming a bottom, never go below it, and then confirm the other resistance. That we broke the resistance, we will confirm entering a bullish trend for all cryptos. So let's get right to it and build the strategy. Before we go in the video, press the like button and notification so you never miss any of my future update. We do daily video, where to buy, where to sell, and where the price will reverse. So let's get right to it. Last time we talked about Bitcoin in our Patreon channel, where we do a lot of price alert for a lot of stocks and crypto. It was around the May 12th. What we said, we're gonna see a visit for this area of support, the 20, if we don't hold this ascending line. And this was almost 1 month ago then. So this was nice trade for our hunter on our Patreon. So if we go back again and see what's happening, we held this important support above the 29. You know why? Because we go in the big picture, we said that Bitcoin is still inside this bullish trend. Every time get tested from above, from this channel, we get a massive short, okay? And every time we get near this ascending line from below, we get big bump. And the last time we have a bit of consolidation, a big buying pressure. And the last time we said if we close below this ascending line for our candle, we'll confirm a sell-off again toward the 20. So what we should expect right now, are we reversed or we gonna continue to go down? So this will be important question to ask, because is holding this support and never closing below. So what I mean, if we have the next coming days, this will be a turning point. If we have a 4-hour candle, red one, closing below the 20, this will have a major effect on the price movement, and it mean the whale will short the market again until the 13,400. This will be the perfect bottom for Bitcoin for this year if we didn't hold the 20. However, in the meantime, we're still holding. If we held, we need to have accumulation phase like happened here at the beginning of May. You see this massive accumulation phase? We gave up the moment we broke this support. Right now, we're gonna have the same reaction. We need to have accumulation phase above the 20, and guess what? The resistance should be around the 28,000. So if we accumulate it here, we're gonna see a price movement and bullish movement up. Let me see, calculate how much we could do. We could make 36% to test this area. And again, as we said in the beginning of the video, the 28,000 will mark the entering a bullish momentum trend. So that's why I expect a bit of rejection and the price will continue to go down. However, we have to do higher lows above the 24, then going up again. If we go to Ethereum and see the bottom, as we said, the bottom is around give or take the 900, but we bought back exactly around the 1,000. So for Ethereum, if Bitcoin hold above the 20,000, Ethereum will hold above the 1,000, and the resistance right now for Ethereum, the first resistance for my opinion around the 1,400, and the breaking point should be the 1,700. If we accumulate above the 1,000, the next jump will be a test around the 1,700. So we're not ready yet for entering a bullish trend, even if we test the 1,700, because we might get rejected. However, the same reaction for Bitcoin, we need to do higher lows and again go to 2,000. If we go to Sand USD Tether, so for Sand is looking kind of interesting, because we got a massive sell-off from the $8 right now below the $1. However, if we go in the big picture, we have a really interesting ascending line forming here, and for Sand to confirm a reversal is holding above this ascending line. So if we held above this ascending line, give or take above the 0.70 cent, we're gonna have a bit of bullish momentum until the $1 again. So we're gonna see a test for the $1 pretty soon for Sand if we held this area. Let me just do an ellipse and circle to show you exactly what's gonna happen. And the price should visit this area, then bump again around this area. So let me just calculate. Yeah, we're gonna do at least 77% up if we hold this area of support. ADA is visiting interesting support that we talked about in our YouTube channel before, which is the 0.40 cent. Right now is holding because Bitcoin is holding above the 20. If we don't hold for Bitcoin above the 20, EDA will break this support around the 0.40, and the next support should be around the 0.17 cent. So be careful from this area of support. As we said, Bitcoin should hold above the 20. This will mark everything. If we hold Bitcoin for above the 20,000 and accumulate, this will confirm EDA support above this area, which is the 0.40 cent. For sand will be above the 0.75 cent. For Ethereum should be above the 1,000. So mark those bottom prices for all the altcoin and Bitcoin, because Bitcoin will change price action for a lot of altcoin, which is the 20,000 mark. A lot of people talk about a reversal, and the bottom for Bitcoin for this year should be the 20,000. For my opinion, the 20,000 is the game changer for Bitcoin to stop dropping down. Let me know what you think, which the price projection for this year. A lot of people talk about the 20. However, if we don't hold, just wait for the 13,500 support. So without further ado, hopefully that was informative and clear. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section below, plus the like button and notifications so you never miss any of my future updates, and I'll see you in the next video.